We installed a Tesla battery and connected it to the existing equipment and system. Through the crawl space, there are several wires. One set goes to the Tesla gateway, and the signal wires go to the customer's existing battery. To connect two batteries together, we tapped into the existing conduit with a T-junction. This wire runs through the crawl space, connecting our new battery to the Tesla gateway. We also installed a 200-amp sub-panel to provide backup power to the entire house. This means that if the power from the main grid goes out, the system will switch power to the house from the battery and solar. To achieve this, we brought a 200-amp line from the main panel here with thick wires, which power our 200-amp panel. These wires supply the existing sub-panels in the house. Our work is still in progress, so it doesn't look very presentable yet, but it will be very neat and tidy when complete. To avoid running many unsightly pipes along the house facade, which the customer wouldn't like, our team leader Slava devised a design scheme. A data box is placed above the main panel, and all exterior wires that connect elsewhere exit through the box, descend through pipes, and enter the crawl space. We see 3 pipes. One is 2.25 inches, and 2 are 1.5 inches. We need to connect the 1.5-inch pipe to this battery, which was already installed. Next, we'll be running a line from the battery over here. All these conduits, this thing I moved here. This small panel was here, I removed it. This was connected to the old panel, we've rerouted it here. Then, this thin conduit was just going to the main panel, I moved it over there. Everything you see here, except for the main panel, we've installed these pipes here and throughout the basement.